Focus on dropping that right shoulder down. Yep. And that's the master reset button.
Feels
Feeling
good. Yeah, it feels good.
Okay, awesome.
Lately?
Weird sleep lately? Haven't been adjusted? I probably haven't adjusted in like 3 years, right?
Probably 4.
4 years. Okay, my goodness. All right. Good. So what I'm feeling is a lot of tension that's built up into the trap region.
Okay.
Okay. And then have you been experiencing any neck pain?
Yes.
Okay. Number out of 10, 0 being no pain at all and 10 being the worst pain. How much pain have you been experiencing in the neck?
Probably like 6.
6. Okay. And pain or